until 10 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Streator, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Odell around 9:20 p.m. Cullum around 9:35 p.m. Including the following interstate: Interstate 55 between mile markers 198 and 218. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe